this first, because if I knew about Crave in the beginning, I probably would have switched over to them. This case feels way better than I thought it was gonna feel. For a price this good, for a premium feeling case, which is like, it's actually way better than other brand cases that I usually put on my phone. It's actually a really nice color as well, and I would highly recommend you guys try these cases. They are 20 bucks, but feel so good in the hand, feel very protective. Also has like a raised bump over the screen, as well as the camera to sort of protect it just in case anything falls. It's not super thin, but it's also not super thick. It's actually just perfect, especially for my liking. Honestly, and it feels, like I said, it feels good in the hand. Has these shock absorbent corners. I think I really like this case. I'm not even joking with you guys. Like, a really nice case. Honestly, the only thing I can say from my personal just like unboxing of it, like, it just feels really nice and premium, and definitely feels like it's going to protect your phone. Like, it's not super thick, it's not super thin. It's really nice, guys, and I highly recommend it. So if you guys do pick one up, let me know down in the comments below. Links will be down in the comments below. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.